Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasri, and today in this video I just want to talk about the messaging system that Google has introduced. It's been a while that they have introduced the RCS system on their Android phones, but the Apple had already taken its advantage regarding its ecosystem, because you can like cross sync your SMS messages, iMessages, everything on your different Apple devices. So now Google has reinforced that scenario, that now you can actually check your emails, not emails. So now you can actually check your SMSs right from your Windows PC. So in this video I'll show you how you can easily do that, and how you can pair your Android device with your Windows laptop or Windows PC and sync your messages across different platforms. So what you have to do is you have to go to Google Messages. After going to the Google Messages, you have to you can download for Android, and you can message for web. You already have the Messages app on your Android phone, so you have to go to Messages for web. And now there will be a QR code authentication. So you need to scan this QR code. When you scan this QR code, it will automatically sync all your messages. As you can see that you have already synced quite my messages from my phone. So in this way you can easily keep your see your messages on your PC. But you need to be careful that your phone should be always online for this to work. So that's pretty much it, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. So if you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos soon. Stay safe. Peace out.